Density is a measure of how heavy something is compared to its size. If an object is more dense than water, it will sink when placed in water, and if it is less than water, it will float. Density explains many real-world phenomena that is near to us, such as helium balloons floating, submarines, how boats and ferries can float, oil spills in the sea, and many more. So today we are going to do an experiment regarding density. The objective of the experiment is to test the density of liquids. Hypothesis: denser liquids will sink at the bottom while less dense liquids will float at the top. Materials that are used in the experiment are plastic cups, oil, sweetened condensed milk, sugar syrup, and mineral water. So, this is the setup of the experiment. First, we need to prepare 9 plastic cups with 4 cups labeled A, B, C, and D respectively. First, we start with cup A. We pour 2 solutions, which is sugar syrups and oil, into cup A. After that, proceed with the same steps by using sweetened condensed milk and mineral water into the cup B. After that, we repeat the same step for cup C and cup D. For the cup C, we pour mineral water and oil, and cup D, we pour sugar syrup and mineral water. The results are as follows. For cup A, we can see layer between oil and the sugar syrup. For cup B, we can see the layer between sweetened condensed milk and mineral water, even though it is a bit mixed. For cup C, we can see clear layer between mineral water and oil. And last but not least, for cup D, we can see there are layer between sugar syrup and the mineral water, even though it is a little bit mixed. After observing the cups, here are the results. For cup A, we compared colored sugar syrup and oil. Our hypothesis is colored sugar syrup sink and oil will float. And the observation from the experiment, colored sugar syrup sink and oil float. For cup B, we compare sweetened condensed milk and mineral water. And our hypothesis is sweetened condensed milk will sink and mineral water will float. And the result agree with the hypothesis. For cup C, we compare mineral water and oil. And the hypothesis is oil will float and mineral water will sink. And the result agree with it. And last one, for cup D, we compare colored sugar syrup and mineral water. Colored sugar syrup sink and mineral water float. And the result same as the hypothesis. Next part is the discussion. For question 1, the question is, arrange the type of liquid ascendingly based on the density of the liquid. So the answer is first, oil, second, mineral water, third, colored sugar syrup, and last one, sweetened condensed milk. For question 2, the question is, state another observation to support the arrangement of solution in question 1. The answer is, other observation to support the arrangement above is the comparison of the concentration of liquids. For question 3, can any object that is denser than water float on the surface of the water? Explain. The answer, no. If the mass of the object compared to its size is bigger than water, then it will sink as its density is higher than water. For question 4, what would happen if 50 ml of oil is added to cup B and stirred? The answer is, condensed milk and mineral water will mix and become milk while oil will float on the surface of the milk. For question 5, Is the hypothesis true or accepted? Explain your opinion. The hypothesis is accepted. Liquid sink as the density of the liquids increase. Last part is the conclusion. Denser solution is at the bottom while the less dense solution is on top. That's all from us. With that, I thank you.